Hi and welcome to the IVMS Budgeting for Now and the Future spreadsheet. This is very easy. This is going to give you an overview of what the year looks like for you based on your own core metrics. You can enter your operating days per week. We're going to choose 6. Enter your statutory holidays. If you have an online store, enter what that looks like. And what is your daily takings based on the last 10 months. We're going to go with something so simple of $5,000. Based on $5,000 per day, and your online store, you're set to reach 1.665 for the year. Let's find out what your team actually costs you. We're going to start with the RBT, and this acts as the same as everywhere else. How much is your average RBT cost? We're going to make up some numbers. These may not make sense, but you can see what we're trying to say here. How many days a week per shift? What is the average health benefits cost per month? Do they have a CE allowance, or do you pay for the licensing, the uniform allowance? Do you pay them sick leave? We know that one IBT cost me almost $76,000. This is the same for everything else. This is the same for other departments. We're going to make sure that we're going to choose salary this time for a CSR. Again, we're just making this up as you go, so that way you can understand what this looks like. Obviously, as salary, it doesn't matter how many hours they work per day or how many days they work on the floor. It's salary. So they get extra benefits. So total salary for a CSR is $60,000 based on the salary plus the country that you're from. So what I didn't show you is obviously a Canada and US. The US obviously includes UK, the Canadian includes CPP and EI. Okay. Next, you're going to find out how many RBTs you have. Let's say you have 2 and you have maybe 1 CSR, you have 3 VOAs and maybe 1 office manager. You have this column over here is for a DVM. So you have 1 DVM and maybe 1 full-time DVM and maybe 2 part-time DVMs. So we just said that there. We've broken this down. Now it breaks down to base support payroll. Then you've got health benefits and support benefits. Total payroll for support is 24%, management is 4%, health benefits for management is 0.07%, that's for health benefits, and then extra benefits is 0.01%, but the total benefits for a management is 4.04%. The total for a DVM, in this example, there is no locum, but the total payroll for the whole entire practice is 45%, 0.46. Now, remember when you put in what your daily takings is, we already said that you're on track to meet 1.665 for the year. What that actually translates to after you inputted all your data is that 1.665 is actually 1.6. That's after tax. And you're going to input all your data based on what you currently have. In this instance, the total profit, as you can see here at the moment, is 1.5% profit. In actual fact, that's incorrect. The actual profit is almost 9% because future planning is still profit, just not yet distributed. But now you're smart and you're planning ahead of time. If you want this spreadsheet, it's a lot more to it than a 40-second video. Buy this now. It comes with a 90-minute one-on-one session with me. I will go through this in depth with you using your own data, and we can absolutely nail down the bottom line for you. This spreadsheet goes through your year planning. It tells you what you're on track to meet. It tells you how much you're going to be making. It tells you how much each person is going to cost you, true value, and overall percentage of what that costs you in true form. Then it uses your own real data to budget effectively for the entire year without you worrying about where you're going to get your money from. This spreadsheet is pretty easy to use. If you don't have the time or don't have the know-how, buy this now. It does come with a 90-minute one-on-one session with me. We can go through your data. We can find out what it means and how we are going to make you more profitable. And that's all for me. Thank you very much.